my goodness, like the fragrance is something else. So let me go on and apply it on my body. So I need to ask you this question. When was the last time you had your body scrub? Or do you usually buy everything in the market? Do some things by yourself. And these are simple condiments, ingredients that you can get at the comfort of your home. Now, if you've been buying it in the market, I'm going to teach you how you can do it yourself. This is homemade one. Like anytime, any day you feel like scrubbing yourself, you just quietly use it and use what you have. You must not get all these things that I have here, and you can also substitute. Now, these are the things that I have here. This is my plate that I will use in mixing it. So this is my honey, and that is what is inside this cup. Just be generous with it, maybe like 2 spoons. It's okay. And what else? This is my almond oil. Please, we have two types of almond oil. I think we have the sweet one and the bitter one. Hope I'm right. But please go for this sweet one. That is the one for the body. And I have here lavender oil. This is very good for the skin. We are going to be using it. And I have here my lime. You can use lemon. They are all the same thing. So I'm going to be using this one. This is my sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, they are all the same. Any one you have, make use of it. This one is my shower milk. Okay, yeah. Please, for the honey, if you don't have, there is no problem, but we can all get honey. Now, for this almond oil, you can substitute it with olive oil or coconut oil. Okay, they are all the same, but I prefer using sweet almond oil. It is very good. Olive oil or coconut oil, substitute it with it. Then for this lavender oil, you can substitute it with vitamin E. Okay, but if you cannot get it, there is no problem about that. And one good thing about this sweet almond oil is that it contains vitamin E. I'm going to write it out for us. So that is why I so much love this almond oil. So join me as I prepare my body scrub. Yes. So the first thing I'm going to do is my sugar. Okay. I'm going to add my sugar. I hope you guys can see it. Okay. I'm not going to be adding all. Let me remain small in case. Okay, so this is my sugar. So the next thing I'm going to add now is my honey. Okay, I'm going to add it. This honey is like, is there any need to measure it? Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let me say 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, it's okay. 1.5. Yeah. So the next thing is I'm going to add my lavender oil. So I'm going to be using maybe 2 of these teaspoon. Yeah, it's okay. 1. 2. It's okay. The next thing is my sweet almond oil. Okay, so the next thing is my lime. Let me get knife. I'm coming. So I'm going to cut it. I'm using half of it. Hey, oh boy, this lime have a lot of water. That is why I'm using it. I'm coming. I'm coming, okay? I'm making video, I'm coming. So this is how it is. You can see it. So I'm going to add my shower milk. Oh my goodness, like the fragrance is something else. So let me go on and apply it on my body so you guys will see how amazing it is. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So this is the thing you buy in the market, just that products are not the same. You can do yours at home. This is very beautiful. The first day you do it, you never leave it again.